because we start, or the industry starting material is the patient's own blood, we have to have a very tight and complex supply chain to deliver the patient's blood for modification in manufacturing and then the delivery of the drug product. And so there's lots of different moving parts, and you can, at the moment, the first wave of developers have had to push their own digital systems within to the clinic, and that's caused some problems in terms of the nurses and the clinical team having to manage a different system for every different client and different product type. And so this has been acknowledged as a problem within the ATCC, and so ATCC created that initiative to build a NHS-owned IT system, so that will manage all of the inputs from the clinic, and then developers and cell orchestration platforms like ourselves will integrate that layer behind the scenes seamlessly, and so it make it much more smoother, the flow of starting material for manufacturing. That's one of the challenges. I think what we've learned over the last 12 months building the eight integrations is that there isn't a standard technology to exchange information in terms of systems. So we've had to work on quite a few different methods. So it would be nice if we kind of work together on a standard of exchanging information, and then we can build these integrations much more quicker.